Can we walk pa?
But it just turned into like people would love dogs and now they have a trade business.
What do you want, Chloe? You want pancake?
One pancake.
Yeah, like, I mean,
With
basic charges for one.
slice.
Charge you, like,
With
per
slice.
kennel.
Here, you get time.
Nya, 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 nya. Nya, no. No. I'm excited. What is my waterfall? Alright?
Look at this one.
I just laughed.
Yeah, okay.
You know what I mean? Like I knew that.
Yung lalaki daw sa likod, ang pogi daw, parang ikaw.
Really?
Ito tang nagsisinungaling.
Same hairstyle as that.
Wow.
We got
Wow.
big.
Wow naman.
Oh my. Who's here? I want that. I want that and that.
Okay,
I want that and that. I want those.
Ano sa
You know, I want both actually. Mommy, I want both.
Anong may happening sa street na yun?
Hmm?
Wow.
Ice cream!
Thank you.
That's a what?
That's a hot chocolate.
Oh, hot chocolate!
Ano, mainit yan. Nasa?
Take it.
Dapat ano mga bad bacon. You love bacon.
Yeah, take the thing. Anong event may farmer's market?
Ano bibenta-benta?
Baka farmer's market.
Mom.
Vintage.
That was for me. Are you mad? Rose.
What?
Dad, I want some of that.
Sa set up sa ano yun.
Oh, sausage, gatita.
Ito ko.
The hot ultimate cup. Milkshake.
Chocolate. Mainit.
Ganda ng mga bahay. Around the sun.
Around the sand. Daddy. Can you make sandcastle?
Oh. Let's check his sandcastle. Let's check.
Oh, that's sandcastle.
There's no walkway like this last time. You just walk in the sand. Ooh, where are we, Chloe? We're here at Coronado Island. Super ganda ng weather. You like it here, Chloe?
Yeah, but mommy, can I go play with?
Di, para sa akin, ito yung pinakamagandang beach sa San Diego. Ikaw? Let's check the seaweeds. Seaweeds yan, di ba, B? Ayan, oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Mommy, I want to go with the sun. Oh, mommy.
My dramatic daughter. Ooh!
Wow.
That's huge.
Oh my God.
Can you flip it?
Yeah. a bigger shell. Bro! Daddy!
What's that? What's that? What is this? Ano yan? Ano to? B? Ha?
No, that's tiny.
Nagko-collect lang kami ni Chloe ng shell.
I found a big shell! Ooh!
Ah! That's the mother! Muntik na kaming mabasa. So fun. It's so fun here, Chloe.
Mommy, I wanna find...
Tingnan niyo, super lawak ha.
Mommy, what if we can find a sleeper stuff?
Oh, super lawak ng pwede mong paglakaran. Tapos yung wave, umaabot siya hanggang dito yung mga waves. Kaya nga lang naka-shoes ako. I wish I'm wearing slippers. Like Chloe, she's barefoot. Saya kaya magbasa ng paa. So, lahat ng bahay na yan, doon sa tapat ng dagat na to is $1 million na house. Lahat yan. Super gaganda niyan kapag malapitan. And then, doon naman is yung super mahal na bagong gawang condo. Yan. And then, yung famous na Hotel del Coronado, of course. Ang ganda dyan kapag Pasko, Thanksgiving, and all. Ako talaga, if mananalo ko sa loto, or I'm gonna be super, super rich, dito ko gusto bumili ng bahay. Yung retirement house, dream house, or yung house na ipapamana na. Kasi super, super ganda talaga dito sa area na to. Pati yung community. May sarili silang island. And ayan, may humahabol sa atin. Oh, tingnan niyo yung wave. Super ganda. I wanna swim, kaso ang lamig-lamig ng tubig. Kasi the water is super cold eh. Ayan na yung hotel na famous dito. I don't know if you can see here, but pupuntahan natin yan mamaya. Ooh, what's in here? What? There's more. Oh, look. You wanna touch it with your feet? Look at this one. This one is gonna move. Look, I'm gonna show you. This one. Look at this one, ah. See? Look, if you touch it with your feet, they're gonna move. See, they're moving. See? It's moving. It's a sea creature. Chloe,
Mommy,
you like it here? You're having fun?
yeah, but look at Daddy. Don't step on that, Mom. Mama.
May mga condo na literal na merong beachfront view.
Mommy, I wanna...
Super ganda.
Mommy, touch.
Dito na tayo sa kabilang side ng Coronado. So, galing tayo dun sa kabila sa mga bahay. And now, dito na tayo sa may condo part. So, ito na yung parang dulo part na niya. Yan. Free naman maglakad dito. So, lagi namin itong ginagawa. Usually, every other weekend. Favorite place namin ito lakaran. Kasi ang ganda ng view, relaxing. Ganda ng weather. Lalo na highly recommended to kapag Pasko or Thanksgiving. Super, super ganda lalo kapag Pasko. Bakit kaya karamihan sa mga gantong ibon, isa lang yung legs? Oh, look at them! Oh, look at the two of them. Oh, she has 2 legs.
If you only have legs.
Ah, minsan kasi pilay yan, isa lang yung legs nila. Ayan, so medyo maaraw na kaya suot ko na yung sunglasses ko from binili natin last time sa flea market.
Mama.
I think na-ROI ko na to kasi ilang beses ko na siyang nasusuot. And ang ganda pa niya, hindi siya parang cheap na material. Hindi na parang mabilis masira or maputol. So, Yan, very sulit magpunta sa mga flea market minsan. Ayan yung mga condo, and ito yung view nila. Literal na super lapit sa dagat. Diba? What a view kung dyan ka nakatira. And then, try natin pumunta doon sa pinaka-dulo doon. There's a tahong. That's a tahong, no? That's what we eat. It's mussels. Show me the big shell. Put it beside your face, Chloe. Ooh! A lot of what? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Babies.
Oh, yeah, what's that?
Bugs.
Sun, please.
Ew! And it's gonna get into Chloe's feet.
No, this doesn't work. Dami.
That's scary, Chloe. Look at those tiny
I wanna
creatures.
find the big ones.
Mom, I'm not,
Ew, Chloe! It's
Mom,
gonna get
I'm not
into
scared of that.
Really? It's crawling there.
Yeah, they're crawling.
I'm not scared of them. They're just babies.
These are sun, please.
Sunfish. Oh, sunfish. What's that moving?
This is what I'm looking
Daddy, I
for.
found a starfish right here. Ooh.
Go get it.
Mommy, get it. You need.
Flip it over.
Okay.
Just flip it over. There's nothing.
Look like a starfish.
See this shape? It's more like a flower, but it's a starfish.
Mommy, can I carry it?
Can I see? Show it to the camera.
Mom, can I carry it,
Yeah, of
Mom?
course. Ooh. Nandito na kami sa dulong part. So, ayun yung pinakadulo. And nandito na kami sa may mga condo. Ang init na. I think pauwi na rin kami after that. Para kang nasa resort living kung dito ka nakatira. Grabe, tingnan nyo. Woo! Ang ganda. Parang resort. Sarap siguro dyan nakatira or may rest house dyan. Anyway, pupunta na ako dyan kasi mauupo muna ako. Ayoko na maglakad.
That's the biggest.
Hala, parang kinuha nila yung laman. Hold it, Chloe. Parang kinuha nila yung laman. Baka may pearl pa yan sa loob. Oh. Can I see, Chloe?
They got it from there.
Oh my God,
And
ang
then
ganda.
They break it open. No, take it.
Ano kaya laman nito? Chloe, look at your face. Ooh.
I found it. I found it.
No, Chloe
I
did.
found it.
She found it.
I found it.
No, Chloe did.
I did.
I was the one finding it first.
Mhm.
Bug. I find the bug. Then the bug out there.
Ang ganda ng pool area nila. Ooh. We're here na sa hotel.
I mean, in the camera, not camera.
Inuunahan ko sila kasi hindi ako makakapag-video kapag kasabay ko sila. Ingay kasi ni Chloe. Anyway, ayan yung mga hotel. Super ganda. Super cute.
Nothing crazy.
Oh, what's this? It's close pa.
Mommy, I want to make a party.
It's too hot na. Ang daming mga kabana na for rent. Kahit hindi ka naka-check-in sa hotel, pwede mong i-rent. Magkano kaya yan? May price, B?
The what?
Super pretty.
This is starting to melt.
The man. We're close now. Almost there.
Yes.
Ooh, so pretty. Who got tired?
Mia.
Uy, baby lang to be. Tapos naka 6,000. 5,800 steps na tayo. Eh. And more.
This exercise, I never want to walk like this.
Baka may totoong pampatulog yun. Kaya
Ito ba
makakatulog.
yung bonsong na bag? Ay, iba pala ibang tao.
Oo, yan. May event pala kanina. Ayan, that's where we
That's
eat.
what we eat, Mom.
I know, ang daming tao. Hala.
Ayan.
Ooh, adobo flavored chips from Walmart. Should we try that one? No, it looks super spicy. Huh?
The orange
It's a little bit pricey, huh? I think we should just get an ice. So we're here at Walmart buying some snacks and foods for Chloe. And she's already eating. Which one should we get? Which chips should we get? Do you want something?
Oh, you
She's
mean...
so busy eating.
Hey.
Ito ang healthy version ng Cheetos. Healthy version. Parang hindi siya masarap. Ang oily naman. Onti lang yung binili ko because quick na Walmart trend lang to. So, we bought ito. Coffee creamer. And then, we have chips. Potato chips, pepperoni, cheese. Ito yung pinunta ko dito is steak. Nakikrave kasi ako sa steak. Hot dog, mac and cheese, and iced tea. And this is Chloe. Okay, let's pay. Hey! Okay, let's pay.
Dump.
For me. What's your gift for me? What flower? Steak. This one. This one. Let me just read it. Okay. See? See? Okay, we're done. Yes. What? It's giving Mother's Day. Are you gonna give me a flower like that tomorrow?
Yeah.
We spent $59. Ayaw mag-focus. $59 today sa Walmart. But ang dami naman na nun, so okay na. For dinner. You gonna have an American dinner tonight? Ah, hindi pa rin naka-record. Pauwi na kami. Susunduin kami ni Raymond because nasa Home Depot siya, right?
Yeah.
Can I have it, bud?
No.
A small one lang.
I'm gonna give you a piece.
Kabait na lang.
That is a big bite.
Ang tagal ng sundo namin.
When are we?
What's gonna be your dinner? Mac and cheese?